Okay, I'm not sure how this is going to go. But I'm going to just try a couple. Okay, pretty common problem. Wire was just stuck in the tip. Now I'm going to try and... I don't want to... My neighbor she can sometimes look out the window, so I don't want her to see. Eh? I don't know if it's stuck. There we go. Stuck that time. Okay. I'm kind of crowded here, so we'll get a couple more for you. We're welding right here. Should be able to see that, eh? Perfect. Love it. It's going good. Perfect. Okay, let's weld down from the middle. That's stuck. I think that's pretty good for flux core, guys. I'm gonna do every second or third one or something. Okay, you guys have seen enough. Burned out the camera's lens a little bit. Well, it's not pretty, but it works. So I found the perfect angle iron. It's got a hole drilled every 2 inches. More accurate than I can drill. It's a 3/8 hole. And now I'm just cutting out 2 pieces that are 1 inch thick to support that rotating leg. I'm going to build this one step at a time. You okay? Too fun. Alright, I've got both brackets welded over there and there for the leg to swing up. Now I'm going to drill a 1/4 inch hole in the leg. You might as well watch. Let's get some light for you. Okay, what do we got? Right there. Need some electricity. This is eventually going to be a 3/8 inch hole. Now we might want to do this as level as we can. Set that in there at 12 o'clock and put a level on the pipe. It's going to be drooping a bit right here. let's get a lifter upper. It's probably going to be a little high. Perfect. Okay, so we're level horizontally. And we're at 12 o'clock on the dot. So we can drill right through this bad boy, I hope. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let's keep going. Let's see how it came out. Perfect. Okay. Now do I drill another one just like it? The back is ground back a bit so that when we tilt it, I don't really know what the measurement is on that. But let's get another one. Shorter. Pick the good side of the pipe. Oh, that's got a roundness too. That's good. So we're gonna I feel that should just be rotated a tiny bit. Yeah, it's good. Now I'm going to use a 3/8 bolt on that. Three-eighths. You guys still watching? Yep. It's gonna work. It feels like it's not sharpened properly. My first cards is not overfilled. That's a small drill press for that. Okay. Alright guys, I'm ready to weld the inside legs, which will go, you know how a TV tray works. So if you can see this, I've curved the edge of the cross piece so that it works kind of like a tubing on a rock crawler frame, but not as good. But I'm stick welding, so it should be just perfect. And I am square as I can be. I'm going to do that one first. So when I'm all ready to go, I'll turn you back on. Okay, here we go. I haven't decided whether I'm going to tack it or go for it, or usually when you go for it, you end up with a crooked piece. But hey. Because this is AC stick, I'm going to use this rods. Let's make sure I haven't bumped anything yet. Then I'm going to start. Nice. On the other side, make sure this is square, because it can pull. Another way to make sure it's square is the tape measure. My tape measure. 15 7/8 there. Might pull a bit. Now we check the other side. Even though I've got the square magnets on, welding is it's kind of like a science where you predict where it's going to end up. Okay, that is really good. But I've got a bit of a gap here. Oh well. If I can fill that gap or not. Good. Okay, let's just take a little break. And I'll clean these up and turn it over. All right. This was one reason why I made my benches the height of the welding table, right? Or I made the welding table the same height as the benches. This is the exact reason. But this TV tray, albeit heavy duty, is going to be the height of the lift. Okay. Just using up some old rods here. You wet me! You want to look a little closer? Here we go. And the other side. There's a bit of a gap on this one. I gotta remeasure, guys. Gap, eh? to get a 1/8 inch rod and fill in the cracks now. That's about it. That's fun, eh? So now I don't know whether to put my cross piece in now or whether to fit it up. So I just got to do some thinning around here.